Hi everyone! Welcome to 110 English Composition Lessons, your daily practice to think, speak, and write in English naturally. Let's train your English step by step, every day. English Composition. Day 1. A happy day. Simpler version for beginners. Easy words, clear rhythm. It's Saturday today. I get up at 7 in the morning. I feel happy because it's the weekend. The sun is shining outside. The birds are singing. It's a beautiful morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I go to the kitchen. My mother is making breakfast. It smells so good. We have bread, eggs, and milk. I eat my breakfast with my mother. We talk about our plans for the day. After breakfast, I change my clothes. I wear a white t-shirt and blue shorts. Then I walk to the park with my friends. The park is near my house. It's not very big, but it's clean and green. In the park, we play many games. We fly kites in the sky. My kite is blue and white. It flies high above the trees. The wind is strong and cool. I run and laugh with my friends. After that, we play table tennis. We take turns and cheer for each other. The sun is hot, but we don't care. We are having a lot of fun. Everyone is smiling and laughing. We feel very happy. Around noon, I go home. I wash my hands and face. My mother is cooking lunch. It smells delicious. We eat rice, fish, and vegetables. My father tells funny stories while we eat. I laugh so much. After lunch, I rest for a while. I lie on my bed and close my eyes. The house is quiet. I take a short nap. In the afternoon, I go shopping with my father. We walk to the market together. The market is full of people. There are many things to see. We buy some vegetables, fruit, and bread. We also buy some drinks. My father carries the bags, and I help him. The sellers are friendly and smile at us. On the way home, we stop at a small shop. My father buys me an ice cream. It's cold and sweet. I enjoy it very much. I thank my father and he smiles. When we get home, I help my mother in the kitchen. I wash some plates and cut some fruit. We prepare dinner together. My sister is practicing her guitar in the living room. Her song sounds soft and nice. We all feel relaxed. In the evening, we eat dinner together. We talk and laugh a lot. My mother asks me about my day. I tell her everything. I tell her about the park, the games, and the ice cream. She listens and smiles. After dinner, my father makes some tea. He sits in the living room and reads the newspaper. I sit beside him and read a comic book. It is very quiet and peaceful. The sound of my sister's guitar fills the house. I feel happy and safe. A little later, my mother asks me to wash the dishes. I stand beside her and help. The warm water feels nice on my hands. We talk while we work. She tells me about her childhood. She says she liked flying kites too. I imagine her as a little girl running in a field. It makes me smile. After cleaning, I go to my room. I look at my kite. It's a bit dirty, but I love it. It reminds me of the fun we had today. I put it near the window. Outside, the sky is dark. The moon is bright and round. The stars shine like small lights. I open the window and take a deep breath. The night air is cool and fresh. I feel calm. My sister comes into my room. She says goodnight and turns off the light. We talk a little before sleeping. She tells me a funny story from her guitar class. I laugh and say goodnight again. I lie on my bed and think about my day. I remember the park, my friends, my parents, and my sister. Every moment was full of joy. I feel lucky to have such a happy life. I close my eyes and whisper, "Thank you for this happy day." Then I fall asleep.
The next morning, I wake up a little late. The sun is already bright. My mother is cooking breakfast. The smell of food fills the house. My father is watering the garden. The flowers look beautiful and fresh. I help him for a while. He teaches me how to take care of the plants. He says, "Plants grow better when you give them love." I smile and water them gently. After breakfast, I clean my room. I put away my books and toys. My mother says, "Good job. Your room looks nice now." I feel proud. Then my friend Tom calls me. He asks, "Do you want to go to the park again?" I say, "Yes, of course." We meet near the big tree. This time, we bring our bicycles. We ride around the park. The wind blows on our faces. We laugh and race each other. Sometimes we stop to rest and drink water. The air smells fresh after the rain. We sit by the pond and watch the ducks. Some children are feeding them bread. Tom tells me about his puppy. He says it's small and brown. It likes to bite his shoes. I laugh. Then we buy some ice cream. I choose chocolate. He chooses vanilla. We sit on a bench and eat. We talk about school and games. Tom says he wants to be a pilot. I say I want to be a teacher. He smiles and says, "That's great. You can teach me English." We both laugh. At noon, I go home again. My family is ready for lunch. We eat rice and soup together. After lunch, I take a nap. When I wake up, my sister is playing the guitar again. I sit beside her and listen. The sound makes me feel peaceful. In the afternoon, my family visits my grandparents. They live close to us. When we arrive, they are waiting at the door. My grandmother hugs me tightly. My grandfather gives me a candy. He always does that. We sit and talk together. My grandmother tells funny stories. Everyone laughs. My grandfather asks me about school. I tell him I like English and art. He says, "Good, keep learning." In the evening, my grandmother cooks dinner. The food is so good. We eat together and talk more. After dinner, we look at old photos. I see pictures of my father when he was young. He looks funny. We all laugh again. When it's time to go home, my grandparents wave goodbye. I wave back from the car. The sky is dark and the stars are shining. I feel sleepy but happy. At home, I take a shower. Then I go to bed. I think about my grandparents, my friends, and my family. I smile. It was another happy day. I close my eyes and fall asleep peacefully. It's Saturday morning. The sunlight is streaming through my window, and I can hear birds singing outside. I open my eyes slowly, feeling relaxed and happy. There's no school today, so I can take my time. I get up at 7 o'clock and stretch my arms. The air feels fresh. In the kitchen, my mother is already preparing breakfast. The smell of eggs and toast fills the room. "Good morning," she says with a smile. "Morning, Mom," I reply. We sit down and eat together. The food is simple but delicious. We talk about our plans for the day. I tell her I'm going to the park with my friends, and she nods. After breakfast, I change into my favorite clothes, a white t-shirt and blue shorts. The weather looks perfect. I grab my kite and head out the door. The park is only a short walk from my house. When I arrive, my friends are already there. They wave and shout my name. We laugh and start running across the open field. The sky is clear and blue. I hold my kite up, waiting for the right wind, and then I run. The kite rises slowly, then suddenly it soars high into the sky. I feel so free watching it dance in the wind. My friends cheer as their kites join mine. For a while, the whole sky looks colorful: red, yellow, blue, and green. After flying kites, we play table tennis at the park. The sun is hot, but we don't care. We're laughing, sweating, and shouting as we play. I lose a few matches, but it doesn't matter. We're just having fun. By noon, I feel tired but happy. I say goodbye to my friends and walk home. My mother has just finished cooking lunch: rice, vegetables, and fish. My father is already at the table. We eat together and share stories. My father talks about his day at work, and my mother reminds me to drink more water in this hot weather. After lunch, I lie down for a short nap. The house is quiet and cool. The sound of a ceiling fan hums softly above me. I close my eyes and drift off to sleep. When I wake up, it's already afternoon. My father asks if I want to go shopping with him. I say yes. We grab our bags and head to the market. The market is full of life: people talking, sellers calling out, and the smell of fresh fruit and bread everywhere. My father and I walk slowly, buying what we need: vegetables, meat, and a few snacks. I carry one of the bags to help. On the way back, my father buys me an ice cream. It's chocolate, my favorite. We sit on a bench near the street and enjoy the cool treat together. I love spending time like this: simple, quiet, and full of small joy. When we get home, my mother is cleaning the kitchen, and my sister is practicing guitar in the living room. The soft sound of her music fills the house. I help my mother wash a few dishes. Then I sit beside my sister and listen. She's learning a new song, and though she makes a few mistakes, it still sounds beautiful. In the evening, we all sit down for dinner. My mother made soup tonight, and it tastes amazing. We talk and laugh as we eat. I tell my parents about my day at the park, about flying kites and playing games. My father smiles and says, "That's what weekends are for, to enjoy life." After dinner, my mother makes some tea for everyone. My father reads the newspaper. I sit on the couch with my comic book. Everything feels calm and warm. The only sounds are my sister's soft guitar notes and the ticking of the clock. A little later, my mother asks me to help wash the dishes. I don't mind. I stand beside her and we chat while we work. She tells me stories about her childhood, about how she used to make her own kites from old paper and bamboo. I listen, imagining her as a little girl running through a field, laughing as her kite flies high. When we finish cleaning, I go to my room. My kite is lying near the window. It's a bit dusty from the park, but it makes me smile. I remember how high it flew this morning. Outside, the night is quiet. The moonlight spills into my room. I open the window and take a deep breath. The air is cool and the sky is full of stars. Everything feels peaceful. My sister comes in and sits on my bed. We talk for a while about our plans for tomorrow. She says she wants to go to the bookstore, and I tell her I might join her. We laugh about silly things and then say goodnight. I lie down and close my eyes. My mind is full of happy moments: the laughter with friends, the time with my family, the calm evening. I whisper to myself, "Today was a really good day." Then I fall asleep. The next morning, the sunlight wakes me up. It's another bright day. I stretch and walk to the kitchen. My mother is already cooking breakfast, and my father is outside watering the plants. The smell of fresh coffee and fried eggs fills the house. After breakfast, I help clean my room. I fold my clothes and organize my books. My mother passes by and says, "Nice work. It looks much better now." I smile. Around 10, my friend Tom calls. "Hey, want to go to the park again?" he asks. "Sure," I say. I grab my bike and ride to the park. The road is quiet and full of sunlight. The air smells clean after last night's rain. When I arrive, Tom is already there. We wave and start cycling together. We ride fast, feeling the wind on our faces. Sometimes we stop under a big tree to rest and drink water. We talk about school, our favorite games, and what we want to do in the future. Tom says he wants to be a pilot. I tell him I want to be a teacher. He laughs and says, "Then you can teach me English." After riding for a while, we buy ice cream from a small cart. I get chocolate again. Tom gets vanilla. We sit by the pond and watch the ducks swim. It's peaceful and quiet, just the sound of water and birds. At noon, I go home for lunch. My family is waiting. My mother has cooked something special, noodles with vegetables and chicken. We eat together and share stories again. After lunch, I take another short nap. When I wake up, my sister is playing guitar, and I listen for a while. Then my parents say we're going to visit my grandparents. Their house is not far, just a short drive away. When we arrive, my grandparents are waiting outside, smiling as always. My grandmother hugs me tightly, and my grandfather gives me a candy, just like he did when I was little. We sit together in their living room. The air smells like tea and flowers. My grandmother tells funny stories about when my father was a child. Everyone laughs, especially my father. I love watching them. They look so happy. In the evening, my grandmother cooks dinner for all of us. The food tastes amazing. Simple, homemade, and full of love. We sit around the table and eat slowly, talking about everything. After dinner, my grandfather shows us old photos. There are pictures of my parents when they were young, and even some of me as a baby. We all laugh and talk for a long time. I feel warm inside, like this is what happiness really means. When it's time to go home, my grandparents stand at the door, waving until we drive away. The night sky is clear and the stars shine brightly. Back home, I take a shower and get ready for bed. I lie down thinking about my day. The park, my family, my grandparents. Everything feels perfect. I close my eyes and smile. "Another happy day," I whisper softly. Then I fall asleep.